Greenland is the world's largest island. Situated between North Atlantic and Arctic Ocean, Greenland maintains a great deal of autonomy. Even though it has its own executive, legislature, and judiciary, it is not independent, but rather a self-governing overseas administrative division of the Kingdom of Denmark, which means Denmark has the control over some of its subjects. Denmark officially colonized Greenland in 1775 and made it its province in 1953. In 1979, Greenland was granted home rule. It got its own legislature and control over internal policies. Greenlanders voted in favor of Self-Government Act in 2008, which transferred more power away from Danish government and made Greenland responsible for its judicial system, mineral resource activities, regulation and supervision of finance, control over borders, and other important subjects. It also changed the official language of Greenland. Danish was replaced by Greenlandic. This law gave Greenland power to declare full independence, but it would have to be approved by a referendum. The law was implemented in 2009, leaving Denmark control over only foreign affairs and defense. It left a transparent border between Greenland and its sovereignty, which could be overcome any time. Let's see what it would be like if Greenland gets full sovereignty and becomes an independent country. As an independent country, Greenland would be the 12th largest country by area, with a total area of 2,166,086 square kilometers. It has larger area than Saudi Arabia, but is smaller than Democratic Republic of Congo. However, it would be the world's largest island nation, replacing Indonesia. Greenland is a part of the North American continent, so the total number of independent countries on this continent would increase from 23 to 24. It would decrease the area of the Kingdom of Denmark from 2,220,930 square kilometers to 54,844 square kilometers, with a loss of 97.53% of the total area. However, Greenland would be a very small country in terms of population, with only around 56,100 residents, which is larger than the population of Monaco, Liechtenstein, San Marino, Palau, Nauru, Tuvalu, and Vatican City. All these countries have a very small area as compared to Greenland. It would become the least densely populated country, with a population density of 0.0259 person per square kilometers, taking Mongolia's place. The nominal GDP of Greenland is $3.1 billion, which is good population-wise, but is very low for such a massive area. Fishery is the major sector of economy, and mining is also growing as climate change is exposing the surface of land. There is a great abundance of minerals like diamonds, silver, nickel, platinum, uranium, copper, molybdenum, iron, and many other gemstones and rare earth elements. Studies have also shown a potential reserve of oil and coal. All these resources can take its economy to a great height. In the past decade, tourism sector has also grown at a rapid rate and is expected to expand even more in coming years. But as of now, Greenland is dependent on Denmark economically. The subsidy it gets from the Danish government is more than 50% of the government revenue and 20% of its GDP. Greenland is very sparsely populated and living conditions are very harsh. The unemployment rate is very high, while obesity, alcoholism, and high suicide rate are other major social problems. All these socio-economical problems would be the barriers in the path of independent Greenland, which it would have to overcome for a prominent future.